I can kick it, and I can bring it, cause I can know it, and you can know it too. Share the vibration, go traveling, find the answers, share with your brothers, share with your sisters, share with each other, share some love, giving some care for the ozone, for humanity and earth. So you know what's up, this is basic things that we all own this. And I'm not crying for any money, I'm not crying for any girls, I'm standing here and I'm growing, cause I'm knowing of everything that's coming in my past and in the future. It's all at the same place, really happening. Time does not exist, this is basic things, man. Yeah. If I can collide, you can come. If I can collide, you can come. If I can collide, you can come. If I can collide, yeah, you can come. You can come, come with me. Come with the vibes, come with the freestyle, come with the style, come with this. I'm saying this for a while, I'm saying this cause I can't space it now. And I can give it to you cause you can grow with me, and I can flow with this cause I'm practicing the freestyle and a style, and I flow fluently. Some rap god is growing inside of me, and other gods are growing inside of me too. No fear is anymore stopping me, no fear is anymore stopping you. Grow for health, wealth, and knowledge in yourself. It's all a big thing, so you can know what's up, what's up. It's the element of fire, element of sharing, element of love that you can bring to one another. I can repeat myself many times, but what's up with another storyline that I can bring and can shine and collide. Hey, these short beats are nice, it's what it is, so you know the free. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, hey, wat is er om de hond, dan wat is er om de hond? Wat spelen er in die leven weer? Haast les van en wat vind je fijn? Focussen voornamelijk op wat fijn is, wat de beat is en wat er onrocht is. Wat er loskomt van die broers en die zussen, die diep vers van alles ondien hieren. Maar dat hebben we last komen kist, ik geef me wat sissen. Over de filosofie, over het voetbal, en ik vind het zonde dat we naar over het warpen gaan en daar dan om te vechten of zo. Hey, net om te verbroederen, net om te groeien, net om mij mijn konnen wat te besnoeien. Dat je me kon moeten gaan, dat vind ik lastig. Ik wil het echt nog voor mij als ik rap. Volgende keer weet ik dat dan echt, en liet ik dat dan los, dat ik daar los van ben, de klas los dan ben. Worst varen de maestros en wil eerst losgooien. Hey. Worst varen de maestros en eerst wil losgooien. Hey. Worst varen de maestros en eerst wil losgooien. Hey. De zin komt op, yeah, the sun is shining, that's what's up with this funky playing. Hey, ha! Playing rhymes, playing this. Woo, yeah, saying this, yeah. Hey, pa, pa, pa. Hey, I can know, cause I can close my eyes, and I can be like ice, like the ice times, or ice ages. I'm being here for ages, I'm here forever, and forever and ever. Cause time doesn't exist, it's a basic principle, but you have to feel it inside of your body, and to share with another, and grow like it's normal. I feel like we should all do this, grow like it's normal. Grow like it's normal, man. Yeah. Hey, grow like it's normal, man. Grow like it's normal. Yo, grow like it's normal, like growing on every each centimeter or a meter. If people are understanding what you're doing, then you can grow for kilometers. If they do not have a clue, you barely will grow for a centimeter. It's a perspective, the social impact. I wanna grow and I wanna know. Grow like it's normal, like you're putting on a big show. But then for real life, What is real life? Real life. It's just like, it is for really, really real. This is what real life is, you feel? You know? You. Easy. Peasy. Another thing I can share with you is the question of the summer. As the seasons are disappearing, so it's important, like big major, that we grow consciousness about it, about the environment, and make it of influence of how you be with your environment, how you be with your transport, how you be with what things you're using and what change you're making. You know, you can be a big leader in changing things. A revolutionary, definitely. Shake the fire inside of me, inside of you, you know. This is what's happening. And I think it's clear enough by this. Je kan al je groeien, je bent al je leiders. Leuk, ik voel leuke beat. Ik voel jammer dat de beats wat kwaad werden. I think the beats were a bit short, so I wasn't really like into depth. But I think I shared a good vibe with his freestyles. My name is DIRK, muzyk. Some people call me like Flow 5, MCI, multiple choice identity, Carpe Pioneer, clandestine, DerGjitr, means Frisian for there he goes, DerGjitr. I think it's just cool to stay the first name and add it on, you know, Dir, muzyk.